Inside Workflow and Organization, you'll find the time blocking planner. If you want to move your time blocking planner to another part of Artova, just hover on the card, click these 3 dots, and you can move it wherever you feel best. So when we enter the time blocking planner, you'll see a range of color keys. These are ones that I have input myself. You can delete them by clicking the X. You can edit them by clicking the pencil icon, or you can add a new tag by clicking Add Tag here. You can then change the color by clicking the little color icon and selecting the color you want. Now, to drop these tags into the calendar itself, click on any of the ones you want to input. When you click, you'll see a blue outline to show that it's selected. Now, with your selected option, you can just click on the day that you want to add it. You can change the title in the pop-up, and you can also add a time that you want to start working on this. If you want, you can set it to an all day by clicking this toggle, and you can add a description if you want. Then we want to hit save. You'll see your block for the day added here. If we want to add another one, we can select the color tag and add it to the day again. Again, choosing a time that we want to work on it. So as you can see, we're arranging our whole day in blocks. To view the full day, you can hover at the top here and click View Day. Here you'll see a red indicator for the time it is right now, so you can see where you're at. You can move sections about inside your day, and as you move them, it changes the time accordingly. If you've finished a task, you can mark it off and it will score it out. To get back to the monthly view, just click the X button at the top. Because there are set times, you can't click and drag within a day unless you click the day view. If you want to edit an item, you can hover over it and click the little pencil button, and that will bring up the pop-up. If you want to move an item into another day, you can click and drag it by holding the drag and drop icon on the left-hand side. You can delete an item by hovering and clicking the bin icon. This is a great way to plan your entire day and see it in a colorful visual way. Inside the day view, you can add an event by clicking on the time that you want to add it, and then you can edit the event type by clicking the drop down and choosing something from your color tags. Then you can navigate back to the workflow and organization card or back to the main dashboard.